I know what you're thinking. What in the world is going on? This is supposed to be a fishing channel. It is, but it's also a family channel. All right, Crappie Town USA, baby. Crappie Town USA. It's all about family, friends, fun, and fishing. So in this video, sometimes it's not all about barometric pressure and how deep and what columns and all that. Sometimes you just want to get out there and have some fun with your family and fish. You want to catch some fish, but you want to have fun as well. All right, so two things I want to share when we get right into the video. This video is about me having fun with my family, being creative, and doing things to make the adventure very enjoyable. Okay, so the other thing is, one of the easiest ways, this is a very, very windy day, very windy, okay? I have found in my experience that using minnows is a very effective way of catching crappies during high winds, okay? And I also debuted one of the jigs that I've handmade myself, okay? I call it my American Common Minnow, meaning this minnow will work anywhere in the country. This one right here. Now, this is not the only minnow that I've made, but this is the one that I debuted and used. Every jig that I make, I always will test it, okay, and catch a crappie with it. I'm not going to make any jigs that I ain't caught crappies with myself, okay? So you will see this. This video is not about jigs. It's not about the Crappie Sniper jig tails, okay? But it is going to be debuted in there because I wanted to practice with it as we were fishing with minnows. All right, so let's get into this video. I appreciate y'all. Hit like, share with someone, leave comments. I apologize if I'm delayed on getting back to you sometimes. I know it happens, but that's because I'm out of town a lot and there are a lot of comments, and I appreciate it. Let's keep it going, y'all. All right, let's go. Crappie Town USA, baby. Crappie Town USA.
Got the ball? Here, mommy did it. Let's go.
Well, it is one today. I'm the lifeguard on duty. I'm the lifeguard on duty today. And it looks like fine young lady out there in some trouble in that water. I think I need to save her. I think she's in trouble. I think she's in trouble. I'm a hero. That's how you get why you save them. Crappie Town USA, baby. Crappie Town USA.
People feeling good. That's how you know people really feeling good.
For the flowers. Daddy, I'm checking on this.
American people, I found this big minnow in the bucket and I'm gonna use it, okay? Y'all see that? I don't know if you can see me, but let's try it.
Oh no, you can see me eat. see me.
Yep, go ahead and reel it in, H. There you go. Look at that boy. Look at that boy with his mama's pole. Nice. What is that?
A bluegill.
That's not a bluegill. What's that?
A fish.
What is it though? What kind of fish is that?
Crappie.
That's right. That's right. Tell the American people.
Crappie Town USA, baby. Crappie Town USA.
All right. Okay. Let's go over here and put this bad baby down.
That baby.
All right. Okay, hold on.
Good job. I got one.
All right, what you catch it on?
I caught it with a minnow.
Yeah, with a minnow. Okay. Let him see it. Hold it up. All right. Get it. Reel it. Keep reeling it. Get him. I don't know if he on there. Stand still. Keep going. Keep going. Just reel it. Just reel it. Pay attention to what you're doing. Don't let go. Get him.
Get it, get it, get it.
That boy got one.
Get it, get it.
Oh, yeah. Don't stand. Stand still. Stand firm, boy. Stand your ground. Stand your ground.
Come on.
Stand your ground. Walk up to him.
I got it.
Look at Mama. Always got to get in the picture. So, baby, this is between father and son. Now, you didn't gave birth to him. Now, I'm done. Go get your fish. Son, don't let your mama do it. Go down and get your fish.
There you go. Here.
I got a fish. Crappie.
See, that's what I'm talking about. See what I'm talking about.
There you go.
This is a moment for a father to teach his son how to get a meal. And what mama do? Come in there and grab it. Son, get up here and redeem yourself. Get up here and redeem yourself.
Stop keeping crappie, y'all.
That's right. Pick it up. Pick it up for the American people. Come over here. Get over here in front of America, boy. Get over here in front of America. Show them what you did by yourself.
I just catch a crappie.
Hold it. I gotta take the hook out. Here, you take it out. Okay. Down
Down.
and up.
Up.
Okay.
Let mommy get one. Let mommy just get one on the board.
You want me shade? You're not shade.
Really? Is it recording? All right, y'all. HJ upset. This was his poll. I had to get one on the board, y'all. Okay? It was going. Mommy was close to it. Okay? There we go, y'all. I got one on the board. Y'all see it. All right. Crappie Town USA, baby. See you in the house. All right. Let me go make up with HJ. He say mommy stole this fish.
I'm gonna go with the American common minnow because we see that they're hidden minnows.
I didn't catch a crappie.
So that's what we're gonna do.
What's he gonna do?
That's what we're gonna do.
What's he gonna do?
Oh yeah. Look at that, AJ. I told you that minnow, that American common minnow. Look at that, y'all. He hit that top. I used this the American common minnow. Okay, I used it because they were hitting on minnows we saw, and so went on and tried that. It's almost identical. He hit the top one, so he hit the one that was a more or less 3 feet deep, baby.
Daddy, step on it! You
Step
step on it!
on
He's about to stick on your hand!
Oh, that's a crappie.
Yeah.
Nice.
He's about to stick on his hand.
Oh yeah.
But I got one of the last.
American common minnow. All right.
Let me help it out. Oh, we got shark teeth.
All right. What you want Daddy to do?
Cut it. Oranges eyes. Oranges eyes.
Let me see your face. What's the orange's eyes?
Yeah.
Oh, all right, your mama got one. Oh my God! Man.
Listen, y'all. I might not appear on camera as many as they did, but listen, I got the biggest one though. Ain't a crappie,
With
but
the
it's a bass.
oranges eyes.
Look at that big baby.
With the oranges eyes.
With the oranges eyes. My sniper and the little one up there eating oranges. I'm catching
With the oranges eyes.
all right, y'all. About 3 feet deep on the minnow. See out here, y'all. I'm back in it. All right.
I love it.
What's up here? Woo. That's a spawning one, y'all. All right. I'm telling you, ladies, I ain't gonna let y'all down. She is in the house. My sniper and HJ over there playing with oranges. She catching fish. Look at that bad baby.
Oranges!
3 feet deep on the minnow.
Oranges.
This is mommy shot. Orange face, orange eyes.
You have orange eyes like this.
All right, y'all.
Yeah,
See
you
that
got
beauty?
orange eyes like this.
All right, Crappie Town USA, baby.
You
We
got-
out here. Crappie Town USA.
You got orange eyes like this.
Look at that beauty. All right, y'all. All right, see you on the road. I told y'all, ladies, I'm not gonna let y'all down. I got the beach blue nail polish. I'm ready for the good weather. Deep on the minnow. We out here, y'all. Me and my fishing buddy. Tell them what's up, orange eyes.
What's up, orange eyes?
All right, y'all.
Good at
Catfish. Are you kidding me?
There you got my view.
I know you're about to crack that one. Got this. Oh my God. You got red. That looks like the ball.
Man, your line is wrapped up in mine so bad it's ridiculous. Wind. 1,000 miles an hour wind. The wind is blowing, y'all, but we still out here having a little fun. Trying to pick up as much as we can.
Pick up this level.
We're using more minnows than jigs because the wind is hard to cast it from shore. So we may work around. We'll see what we can do. If it gets too bad, we'll get up out of here. But we certainly appreciate y'all, all right?
Got crappie.
It's a bass, HJ.
Bass.
Show them everything.
fish, only a turtle.
What you say, HJ?
Not a fish, it's a turtle.
It's a turtle. Daddy had to help you?
Crappie Town USA, baby.